Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your overall energies, guys. Three of Swords, Eight of Swords, Three of Cups reversed, Nine of Cups, Eight of Cups reversed. Virgos, with these cards, you are really happy wherever you are. This may be regarding your work, your relationship. So things are just the way you expected. You are having that contentment in your heart about how things are manifesting, guys, and you feel success, victory in whatever you are doing. So some kind of conclusion is coming your way, guys. So whatever things that you are doing, you are feeling really happy, and for some of you all, you may be going on some journey, some kind of it may be work related, or something you want to find, something like an to discover something. So you are going, maybe for you, for some of you all, this may be because of some kind of some kind of conflicts that you were having before, something or some sickness. Maybe some of you all are having some minor sickness, so that may be the reason that you are going somewhere, maybe to heal yourself. For some of you all, you may feel some kind of delays or divisions in your work. Something may not come in, some documents or some important approvals, they may get delayed. So that may also be the energy here, guys. But other than that, I feel that is all something very minor. But other than that, I feel today you are feeling that contentment within yourself for how things are turning out. You are having a great time with friends, family, and you may be celebrating certain things. So this delay and some kind of conflicts that you are having, that may be something very small, immaterial things, so that is not affecting you. So these confusions you will be overcoming, guys. That is the energy I feel here with these cards. So that may be very small concerns that you are facing today, some sickness or some delays you are facing today, that may be very minor. So nothing to be worried about. And maybe for some of you all, you are reaching some kind of achievements. This may be in your work, or this may be in your relationship. Maybe in your relationship you are really happy and content how things are going, but in your work you may feel certain delays and confusions, or maybe things are going fine in your work and you may feel a certain delays or some kind of stress in your relationship. So that may be the energy here, guys. So for this may be your person's energy towards you or your energy towards them. It works vice versa, Virgos. So that is the energy with these cards. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here, guys. What is the energy with the other set of cards? And you are celebrating some great news today. Lady Clover. Letter. So with these cards, I feel some things, some great news is coming, guys. Just like I said, something very lucky. You're going to feel very lucky because of it. So this person may come to propose to you, or you may go and propose to them, or you may get some kind of communication from them, some letters, postcards, or emails, something of that sort. Something very lucky, something you never expected to happen is coming your way today. And maybe for some of you all, it may be something very important. Maybe you were in a long distance relationship, or you were away from this person for a long time. All of a sudden they are communicating with you after a long break. It may be in the form of emails or some letters, something. So they are what to say, they really like you. So some personal communication is coming your way, and that is going to make you very happy. So it is something very significant, guys. So with the Clover card, it may be something regarding your life together. This person may have some news about your relationship. They may want to have a committed relationship with you, or they may be taking a decision for that. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So something great is coming towards you, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. And this person has affection, love, and you share a great understanding, passion, and intimacy is there in this relationship. So this person really loves you for what you are, guys, and they are what to say, open to this committed relationship with you, and they are coming with some kind of news about this relationship. So that is the reading, guys, and that is the energy with these cards, Virgos. So you are facing some confusions that may be very minor, guys, maybe due to some sickness or some minor delays you're having, but nothing to worry about. The other cards are all very positive. It is pointing towards some great announcements, contentment, and happiness for you today, Virgos. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.